In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Dropbox syncing file and keep the file offline. If you want to reorganize files in Dropbox without having them take up space on your computer, this is a simple method to use. The goal here is to make sure the file stays stored in Dropbox, but does not remain fully downloaded on your device after you move it. This is especially helpful if you are trying to save storage while still keeping your files accessible in the cloud. To begin, open your Dropbox folder. If you are using Windows, open File Explorer. If you are on a Mac, open Finder. From there, navigate to your Dropbox folder so you can see all the files and folders that are currently stored there. Make sure you are working inside Dropbox, because this process depends on moving the file within the Dropbox folder itself. Next, find the file you want to move. This can be a file that is currently syncing or one that has already finished syncing. Take a moment to confirm you have the correct file before making any changes, especially if you are organizing a large number of documents. Before moving the file, you need to make it online only first. This is the key step if you want the file to remain offline from your computer's local storage. Click the file, then choose Make Online Only. After that, wait until you see the cloud icon appear next to the file. That cloud icon is important because it confirms the local copy has been removed and the file is now stored in Dropbox without taking up space on your device. Once the file shows the cloud icon, you can move it. Drag the file into a new folder inside Dropbox, or right-click it and choose Move To if you prefer a more precise option. As long as you move the file to another location within Dropbox, it should stay in your Dropbox account without downloading again to your computer. One useful tip here is to avoid opening the file right after moving it, because opening it may cause Dropbox to download a local copy again depending on your settings. If your goal is to keep it online only, just leave it in place after the move, and check that the cloud icon is still there. And that's it. By making the file online only first and then moving it inside Dropbox, you can keep your files organized while also saving local storage space.